Hi there, Simplifiers. It's Eileen Reed, Simplify with Eileen Organizing. And I just wanted to share a story about a recent interaction I had with a client that really helps to illustrate some of the challenges associated with trying to figure out what things to hold on to and what things to let go. So I'm working with this client, Donna. She's a doll, and she is going through her parents' house right now to try and clear it out so it can be sold. Her dad passed away a few years ago, and her mom passed away actually just a few weeks ago. So it's very fresh and it's very difficult. And as we're going through things, Donna will ask, what do I think? What things should I hold on to? So one thing that really stood out to me was Donna held up this little inexpensive alarm clock, and she said, should I keep it? And I asked her, well, why would you want to keep it? What's the story? And she said, well, it reminds me of my mom. My mom, in her later years, had declining health, and she would sit in this recliner right in front of the TV, and the alarm clock was right there on the shelf by the TV. And she would stare at it pretty much all day long. And if Donna said she was going to be over around 4 o'clock to stop by, then around quarter of 4, the mom would be calling, where are you? You're late. And so it was just a tough time. It was tough for the mom, and it was certainly tough for Donna too. So I said, it feels to me like there's kind of some negative, memories and energy associated with that clock. Why do you want to keep it? And she said, well, it reminds me of my mom. And I suggested that, are there other things that remind you of your mom? But when your mom was healthy and vibrant and, doing all the things that, she did for the family, maybe those would be more meaningful things to hold on to versus the clock. And as it turns out, Donna was really grateful that we talked it through. She did not end up keeping the alarm clock, and instead she kept things like some of the family recipes, the things that she remembered her mother baking when they were young, and some glassware and plates that were used for family gatherings and holidays. Things that really were meaningful and evoked a memory of her mother when her mother was at her best and not in the later years. So just a thought that if you or anyone is sort of going through those challenges of trying to make those decisions on family items, just try and keep in mind, keep the things that are meaningful back when the person was really at their best. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and hope to see y'all back. Simplify with Eileen, your life simplified. Thanks.